Welcome! In this beginner-friendly tutorial, I'll show you how to use SkySlope step by step. We'll cover how to create and manage transactions, upload and organize documents, complete compliance requirements, track task progress, and collaborate with brokers and team members efficiently. Whether you're a real estate agent, transaction coordinator, or brokerage professional, this guide will help you streamline your real estate transactions, stay compliant, and reduce paperwork stress using SkySlope. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident navigating the platform and managing your transactions more efficiently. Let's get started. As one of the industry's leading transaction management platforms, SkySlope helps agents, brokers, and transaction coordinators streamline documentation, ensure compliance, and close deals faster. If you are new to SkySlope in 2025, this beginner-friendly tutorial will walk you through the key essentials, from setting up your account to managing transactions, uploading documents, and using digital signatures. Whether you are an agent looking to go paperless or a broker aiming for better oversight, SkySlope makes transaction management smarter and easier. What is SkySlope? SkySlope is a cloud-based transaction management software designed specifically for real estate professionals. It allows you to manage listings and transactions, upload and store documents securely, automate compliance check, send and sign documents digitally, track communication logs, create audit trails for legal protection. With built-in broker oversight, audit workflows, and full mobile access, SkySlope helps real estate professionals remain compliant and efficient from anywhere. Step 1. Setting up your SkySlope account. Before you can start managing transactions, you will need to set up your SkySlope account. Getting started? 1. Visit www.skyslope.com. Log in with your credentials. 2. If you're new, your broker or admin will typically send you an invitation email with login details. 3. Once inside, update your user profile. Add your contact info. Upload your signature and headshot. Use for branding. Connect your email for integrated communication tracking. Recommended settings. Turn on notifications to receive alerts about missing signatures or expiring documents. Enable auto-logging for emails if your broker has SkySlope forms or the DigiSign enabled. Step 2. Navigating the dashboard. When you log in, you will land on the SkySlope dashboard. This is your command center. Main menu options. Manage listings. For creating and editing property listings. Manage transactions. Where all buyer-side or escrow deals live. Working documents. A cloud folder for personal or pending files. DigiSign. For e-signature creation and management. Checklist. For reviewing required documents for compliance. Broker tools. Admins only. Oversight and auditing features. Step number 3. Creating a listing or transaction. You can create a new listing or if you are representing a seller or a transaction for a buyer or escrow deal. Creating a listing. Click Manage Listings. Create listing. Fill in property details, address, listing price, MLS number, listing date, etc. Upload the listing agreement and required disclosures using the checklist. Once the listing goes under contract, you can convert it into a transaction. Creating a transaction. Go to Manage Transactions. Create transaction. Enter deal details. Property address, buyer or seller info, contract dates, escrow and title company contact. Complete the transaction checklist by uploading all necessary files, purchase agreement, disclosures, etc. SkySlope checklists are customized by brokerage and transaction type, so your requirements may vary. 4. Uploading documents to checklist. SkySlope makes document management incredibly easy with drag-and-drop upload options. Upload methods: drag and drop. Pick the checklist item and drag files into the upload box. Browse. Select from your device manually. Split and assign. Upload a large PDF and split pages into the correct slots. Email to SkySlope. Forward documents directly to your transaction file using a unique SkySlope email address. Each checklist item will show green check, approved, yellow clock, awaiting review, red X, rejected, fix, and re-upload. Step number 5. Sending documents for signature with DigiSign. SkySlope includes DigiSign, a powerful and compliant e-signature tool for real estate documents. Sending a document for signature. Go to the DigiSign tab. Click New Envelope and upload your document. Add recipients, buyers, sellers, agents, etc. drag and drop signature fields, initials, and dates. Customize signing order if needed. Send the document. You'll receive an email when recipient sign, and SkySlope automatically stores the signed file in your transaction folder. Tracking signatures. Use the Send Items tab in VigiSign to monitor pending signatures, complete docs, or to resend reminders. Step number 6. Email integration and communication logs. SkySlope helps you keep a clean communication trail for legal protection and transaction transparency. Auto-log emails. Forward client or vendor emails to your unique SkySlope transaction email address. Example, 123mainst@skyslope.com. SkySlope attaches the email to the correct file. Benefits: centralized communication, full audit trails, protection in disputes, easy compliance with brokerage policies. Check the log tab in each transaction file to review all activity and communication history. Step 7. Submitting for review and compliance. Once all documents are uploaded to your checklist, it is time to submit them for broker review. Steps: go to the checklist. Click Submit for review. Your broker or admin who approve or reject items based on compliance standards. You'll receive feedback on any missing or incorrect documents. Approved documents are locked to preserve integrity. Step 8. Archiving closed transactions. After closing, your broker may archive the transaction. This keeps your file safe for future reference and legal compliance. Accessing archive files. Click Manage Transactions. Archive to find closed deals. You can still view, download, or print any documents from these files. Archive files remain accessible for 5+ years depending on your brokerage retention policy. Step 9. Mobile access with SkySlope app. SkySlope's mobile app, available for iOS and Android, gives you full access on the go. Features: upload documents using your phone camera. Send VigiSign requests from your phone. Check checklist statuses. Review and communicate with clients or vendors. This makes SkySlope an excellent tool for agents who are always on the move. Step 10. Broker tools and admin features. If you're a broker, SkySlope offers additional tools for compliance and team management. Broker features: audit log. Review all actions taken in a file. Team oversight. View all agents' files and statuses. Reporting. Generate performance reports and compliance stats. Document templates. Create reusable document packages for your team. SkySlope keeps everything centralized and secure, making back-office tasks much more efficient. Top tips for beginners. Use split and assign for bulk PDFs like scan contracts. Always upload documents as PDFs for consistency. Check for missing initials before submitting for a review. Use DigiSign templates for frequently signed documents. Sync your calendar to track key transaction dates. That is all there is on SkySlope tutorial for beginners. Streamline your real estate transactions 2025. SkySlope is an incredibly powerful platform designed to simplify real estate transactions in a digital-first world. From listing management and document storage to e-signatures and compliance, SkySlope helps you stay organized, efficient, and legally protected. As a beginner in 2025, mastering SkySlope can dramatically improve your workflow. With its cloud-based access, broker oversight tools, and seamless mobile integration, it has never been easier to manage every step of your real estate deals from one platform. Whether you are an agent, transaction coordinator, or broker, using SkySlope ensures your transactions stay compliant, secure, and on schedule. With a bit of practice, you'll be using SkySlope like a pro and closing deals faster and smarter than ever before. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching this complete step-by-step guide. I hope this tutorial helped you clearly understand how to use SkySlope to manage real estate transactions, organize documents, and stay compliant with ease. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really supports the channel and helps more real estate professionals discover these tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss future videos on real estate tools, transaction management software, compliance systems, and productivity solutions. If you have any questions or would like a deeper walkthrough of specific SkySlope features, feel free to leave a comment below. I'd be happy to help. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.